So once you're all fitted out and you jump in,
Yep.
what does the buoyancy feel like?
Oh, you can float to the surface.
You still float to
You
the
just
surface.
put enough air in there and you will
Oh,
float.
that's
to the-
air.
Yep. It's just a matter of shutting the exhaust off, opening the inlet, and you can fill it up with air.
Okay.
If you fill it up too much, you can end up
Fill up the
upside
suit.
down. Yeah, it just fills up with air. Yeah, we've got the strap here to sort of hold it to the middle, but this strap here actually holds that onto your shoulders. Otherwise, as the air goes in there, it disappears and your head disappears down inside the suit. So you need that suit locked there so you can at least see where you're going.
And have you done this?
Oh yeah, many times. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'm doing the next jump this time. But yeah, we just do it. We do it more for the fun of it now. It's like having an old vintage car. You have a drive, we jump the water.
An old boat.
Yeah.
Do you ever do any salvage stuff?
No, not with these. No. This is all fun. Modern day helmets, more modern than these, but that's what they look like.
Yeah.
That's what they use nowadays. All the others are pretty old.
So, what sort of depth would you be working at, or could you work at?
Well, we can go. Technically, these on air, you can probably go down to about 100 metres, 200 metres.
Oh, really?
But by then, you need to start putting what they mixed gas in.
Nitrogen.
And then these suits, they actually have them. And it's a big hoses, the big metal plates at the back, pipes where they put the mixed gas in. So in the early, when they first started using them in the sort of the 40s, 50s.
So at what point would have they realised that you can't go further without having mixed gas? With obviously trial and error.
Diver getting into trouble when he comes up, and he's bloody got the bends.
And they're just going, and it just happened repeatedly.
They've known for a long time about it, and they tend. See, if you go down, you can go down. I did a 64 metre dive, and I staged coming back. I did probably about 40 metres for a couple of minutes, 30 for a couple of minutes. But when I got back to 5 metres, I had to spend 18 minutes there to get the gas out of my system.
So that's the tether one?
That's your communication line.
Oh, so you got communication
This
as well?
is the tether one.
So you got the tether line?
Yeah.
And that's the oxygen? Oh, that's the air?
Yeah, the air, and that's just the depth.
Depth?
Yeah. So we can tell how deep the guy is.
It's pretty cold. There's the opportunity. You've got it there.
I get busy out with Jake and Reagan.
What's the door on that step? Is it?
No, he won't get it. Hang it off the line.
Take it over there. And then
then we'll bring it. This is going to be the gate. There we go. Right off, just below the floats.
What's an ETA for us, Solo?
An ETA, that's
We'll just noodle around. Yep, okay, got those now, mate.
okay, so what you got on that step is a five push.
Daddy's on the leg?
Little record? Yeah, just take 3 rafts up. Take 3 rafts.
Nice one, babe.